How to add photos on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide channel. In this tutorial video, I am going to guide you how to add photos on Tinder. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to Tinder application. Then this navigation interface will be shown on your screen. As you can locate the profile button on the bottom right corner, tap on it. So this will lead to your Tinder profile. Tap here and this will directly lead you to media. Tap on the plus sign. Here options are given. Either you can directly take a picture from camera or you can select the photos from your gallery and select the photo that you want to add on your Tinder. After you finish selecting the photos, tap on done, or you can edit other details like height, hobbies and interests as well. So this is how you can easily add photos on Tinder. If you found this tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us. This much for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.